Alright, man. First drive, man. First drive, y'all. Y'all, this thing is... I can definitely tell the difference. Especially on the downshifts. The downshifts was aggressive, and now it's like, you can hear it, bro. So, we finna see what it's talking about. I'm finna go on the interstate and then drive this bad boy. We finna get my full reaction. So let's do it, man. Let's get it done. Oh God. Bro, this bitch sounds so good. These boys are stopping out of nowhere, bro. What are y'all doing? God dang. Oh, hey. Bro, they put it in first gear. Nasty. Drop it down one. Hold on, let's drop it down one. Oh my God. Yo, this thing is a monster. Oh my God, bro. Bro, this bit is having me laughing like a little kid, my nigga. This bit got me laughing like a little kid, bro. Alright, let's go ahead and see what it's talking about. Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hallelujah. Yo, it crackles, bro. Yo, we in here, boy. Let's go. Hey, bro, this ain't even with the muffler. Like, so I still got the stock mufflers on, y'all. The stock mufflers is still on here, bro. Yo, this is, bro, this thing is a beast, bro. So, like, I haven't even went on the interstate. I haven't went on the interstate yet, bro. People already blowing horns and stuff. I guess they like it. Yo, my God, dude. I'm in love with this car, y'all. All over again, bro. All over. Alright, man. So, I'm finna go to an empty parking lot, man, and just give y'all some actual rolling, like with the car driving, you know what I'm saying? With the car driving. Oh, hold on. Oh, I'm tripping hard. I'm tripping hard. Hold on. I was trying to see which way is the exit. Oh, this is my pops calling. Hold on, y'all. When I get to the empty lot, y'all, I'm gonna drive, and so y'all can hear how the car sound outside the car. So I'll be right back.
Floor it?
No, don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
Y'all finally seen how my first reaction was in this Mustang, bro. You know what I'm saying? So let me know if y'all like the sound, man. If y'all don't like the sound, let me know. But man, overall, I love the sound, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna rock out with the H-pipe for just a little bit longer, man. Probably like a month, and then I might go ahead and switch out the stock mufflers and go to like a Corsa or a boiler attack, you know what I'm saying? Something crazy, bro. So we going crazy with this build, man. So hey man, until next time, man, make sure y'all shining, make sure y'all grinding, man, make sure y'all grinding before y'all shine. Don't do that backwards, you know what I'm saying? It's the difference. So man, I'll see y'all on the next episode, man. We out.